Welcome to this video. In this video we have to find the angle of B. This is side AB and this is CD. This is angle B. We have to find the angle of B, and this is B. This is 69 and this is 37. To find this angle, what to do? First of all, draw a line over here from this point, this is P, you can say this is Q, and this is P, this is Q, and angle on this line is 180. You know the straight angle of straight line is 180. So for this we will change our strategy. AB is parallel to CD, and now AB is parallel to PQ and CD is parallel to PQ. Now you can see that this is A and this is B. So this angle is 69, and after that this angle will also 69 because of alternate angle, alternate side angle are equals. So this A and this is point E, AEP, angle AEP is equal to also 69 degree. Okay, because sides are alternate angles, and PQ and AB is parallel, and the PQ parallel to AB. Okay, this is one point. And after that CEP, we have a side like this is, and this is we have angle 37, C angle. Okay, this is D. At this point this is alternate angle, this will also be 37, means to say this is also 37, this is 69. Okay, alternate. Now CEP angle EP, now this is 37 degree, because this is alternate angle, and in this way PQ is parallel to CD. Now angle B, what is this? This angle, this is whole angle B at this point, and this is on straight line. This is B angle is a straight line, so this will be the addition of these two angles, AEP plus CEP. Now the value of AEP is 69 degree, plus the value of CEP is you can say that 37 degree. Now addition of these two, 7 plus 9 is 16. Now 3 plus 6 is 9, plus 1 is 106. So the answer of B is 106. Your answer is 106. Angle of B, angle B is 106. In this way you can find the answer of this angle. Hope so you got the idea.